Do you feel stuck, overwhelmed, like the world is moving faster and you're falling behind? You're not broken, you're just unequipped. Because in today's world, staying average guarantees that you're staying behind. Jim Rohn once said that you can miss a meal, but do not miss a book. If you're ready to break out, level up, and actually get ahead, it starts with feeding your mind with the right kind of stuff. And here are 3 life-changing books that will give you that edge. And my name is Nick. If you're new onto this channel, you're most welcome, and make sure to like, subscribe, so that every time we upload a brand new video, you'll be the very first one to be notified. And my team and I have been able to help hundreds of people to improve on their budgeting, saving, and most importantly, to leverage the compounding interest strategies to be able to save, to be able to invest for their future. And having said all that, let's dive straight into the video. Book number 1, The Richest Man in Babylon. Old school wisdom that still works in today's market. In a world that is drowning in debt, distraction, and dopamine, this book brings you the 4 main core principles of building real wealth, such as working so hard, saving consistently, living below your means, and investing wisely. No hype, no get-rich-quick garbage. Just timeless rules that still build real wealth. So, if you're feeling financially lost, this is your foundation. It's very clear, practical, and mind-shifting. Our book number 2 is the EMyth Revisited. Are you dreaming of starting a business? Or you already have one that is stressing you out? Because most people fail in their business because they try to do each and everything by themselves. And other ones get stuck in working in the business, not on the business. And that's why this book will teach you 3 main core principles that will help you manage your business. The first one being able to build systems that run your business even in your absence here. The second one is the ability to work smart, not hard. The third one is to create a business that gives you freedom, not the burnout. So, do you want a business that works for you instead of the other way around? This book is a game changer for you. Our third and our last book, which is one of my best favorite, is Think and Grow Rich. This book will teach you each and everything that you need to know about mindset, period. It will help you to rewire your thinking for things like opportunity, confidence, and success, which will give you the right tools to be able to master your desire, your persistence, and your belief system. Because it's not all about money. It's about becoming the kind of a person who can attract each and everything that they want in their life. And these 3 books are more than just a recommendation. They are blueprints that will help you to level up and be able to take back control of your life. So go ahead and let us know in the comment section below which of these 3 are you starting with. And if you found value in this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more value. But most importantly, go ahead and check out my other video that pretty much breaks it down step by step on how you can start earning passive income easily and immediately using a high yield savings account. And having said all that, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.